Hi, my name is Rohit Sharma. Today we are going to see how to troubleshoot a scenario where a Windows patch catalog update job does not list all the expected patches. So the scenario is that you have created a Windows patch catalog update job and it has been executed successfully. But there are one or more patches which are not available in the patch catalog after the catalog update job. We will now see what to do in such scenarios. So the high level steps are: we'll first find out if the patch is available for download from the vendor. I mean, is the patch actually available, or is it been taken off from the vendor? Is it obsolete or not? The second thing that we'll check is if the product for the patch is added in the filter. Now let's suppose the patch that you are looking for is an Internet Explorer patch. We'll have to make sure that the Internet Explorer product filter is added in the patch catalog update job. Now, the third thing that we'll have to check is if the filter to which the patch belongs is the filter available in the TSSA filter list or not. As you can see, I have now logged into the TSSA console. So the problem is that we have this patch. I'll filter and show it to you. The patch name is 4535102. It is reported that this patch is not available in the Windows 2012-2016 patch catalog. So I'll do a filter and I see here that this patch is not available. Now when there are such scenarios, the very first thing that we do here is we try to find out information about this patch. So I'll open the browser here and I have already opened the Microsoft support page for this patch. Now if you see that this patch is a security and quality roll-up for .NET framework, so these are the version of .NET for which this patch is applicable, and this is for Windows 7 SP1 and Windows Server 2008 R2. So as we can see that this is a .NET patch for Windows 7 and 2008 R2. So what we'll do here is we'll first ensure that these two filters, either of these two filters, are available in my patch catalog or not. So I'll go back to the console. I'll double click and open my patch catalog. I'll scroll down and see the filter list. Now as you can see, the filter list is only 2012 and 2016. Now since this is not a part of 2012 and 2016 product, the patch will not be listed here. So if we want to see this patch, we'll have to add the .NET filter here, or the 2008 R2. We'll just add .NET filter, save and update the patch catalog. So I mean, the patch catalog update can take time, so I've already created a .NET patch catalog here, and then I'll just do an apply filter. In fact, it is right here, so you can see that this patch is available for .NET. So what we have to do in scenarios where a certain patch is not applicable after the patch catalog update job, we'll have to find more information about the patch. We'll try to figure out what are the products for which this patch is applicable, and if those products are the very first thing that we would do is we would ensure that if the patch is a valid patch or not. So in this scenario, the patch was a valid patch, and then we'll see what are the products for which this patch is applicable, and then we'll figure out if those products are available in the filter list or not. Now in this scenario, we can see that the patch was for .NET, and the .NET filter was not available in the patch catalog filter list, and hence this patch was not shown. So there can be scenarios where you'll figure out a product that is not available in the filter list. So this is the filter list which contains all the available products that TSSA supports. Now if the product that you're looking for is not available in the filter list, there is a provision that you can add a new product in the filter list as well. We have created a video already which shows the steps how to add a new filter in the patch catalog. The link to that video is in the description section. You can check that out and find how to add a new filter in the patch catalog. So We saw how to troubleshoot a scenario where a patch catalog update job does not list all the expected patches. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day ahead.